In this video, we'll take a look at the flashlight on the Garmin MAP GPS 66. Behind the device, you'll see the LEDs located right here next to the USB charging port. And from the main menu, you have access to the flashlight. And let's hit menu to get in there. And you'll see here we have our light settings. 0 means it's the constant beam, and then the numbers are the number of strobes per second. You have your light intensity, and you have the on-off indicator. So you can press the enter button to turn it on. You can use the joystick to reduce the intensity of the light, like that. And then you can go through and use the different strobes. So 1 strobe a second, 2 strobes per second, and so on. Now in SOS mode, because it's deemed the emergency strobe, some of your other antennas or radios are turned off. So your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, Ant Plus are all disabled when you're using this mode. And to turn it off, you basically just go back here and turn it off. And there you go. That is the flashlight app on the GPSMAP 66.